Hi guys, I'm Markayylaab. Welcome to my channel. If you're new and if you're returning, thank you for stopping back by. So today I'm going to do a review on this ring light that I bought from Amazon. But before I get into the review, I'm going to need you guys to like the video, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bells so that you can get notified when I post another video. With that being said, let's get into the video. This ring light is from Amazon. I got it from the store called Lipety, I believe it's called, and this is the box it came in. So let's unbox it. So I'm assuming this is the stand, and it has a couple different sizes so that you can use this while you're cooking, while you're at a desk. It has multiple sizes, so that is really nice. It came with this screw, this holder for your iPhone or whatever phone that you're using, and the light. So before I put the ring light all together, I'm just gonna read you a couple of things about the ring light. So this is from the store Lipety on Amazon. It's 12.6 inches, the ring light, and it is $39 currently on Amazon. That's the last price that it was when I looked at it, which was today, which is January 22nd. Yep. Okay, so I ordered this January 15th and I received it January 17th, which was nice because it came in 2 days. And I also have Prime, so that might be a factor as well. And then, like I said, you can use this for multiple things. Your hairstylist, your makeup artist, your YouTuber, your Facebooker, not a vlogger, but anything that you might be doing that you would need a ring light. I mean, that's what you use it for. Let me put this together and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. So the ring light is pretty much put together. All I needed to do was screw the ring light into the stand. I just wanted to show you a few things that the ring light came with. It came with a thank you card or a thank you note from the seller. It came with an instruction pamphlet. It also came with another cell phone holder, I'm not sure what this is. It came with this mini stand. So if you were somewhere that you were sitting down and you didn't need this huge stand, you could use this and connect the ring light. And the ring light also has a cell phone holder on it as well, so that's nice. So I'm just gonna show you what the stand looks like. This is, well, it's not really a stand, it's a tripod, huh? So these legs move in and out, and you can adjust it by twisting this right here. It also can go up and it can go down. This is where I screwed in the ring light. It has a cord that you can plug into your laptop, computer, anything that can charge this. And then I usually plug it into those cubes that the iPhone has and then just plug it into the wall. That's how I use my ring light. I'm a little sad that this did not come with a Bluetooth clicker remote thingy. I am sad about that. But overall, I think I'm going to love this ring light. What? What's going on? You're not going outside. You're not going outside. No. She's not going outside. It's raining. And it also has different settings too. You can set it to, I think it's blue, yellow, and white. And then this also goes up to a 10 level of brightness. So you can set brightness 1 through 10. So overall, I do like this ring light. If you were interested in getting a new ring light for whatever you're using it for, definitely check this one out on Amazon at Lipety. And then put my code in, JK, I don't have a code. But that is it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Be safe.